2024 Subaru Ascent, servicing the cabin air filter. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the damper by pulling on it like this. You see how it's disconnected? Now we're going to need to lower the glove box door down to access the door that's back here that holds the cabin filter. So if you come over here, you might need to get a screwdriver, it might help you out, but you see the stopper that's right here that stops the glove box from opening. We need to press the glove box inward and pull it down. See how it popped out right here? On both sides. So using a screwdriver here might help you out if this is actually pretty stiff plastic. Okay, let me see how this one I got it. I'm pushing down on the glove box as I go. This one popped back in because I'm one-handed here. Okay, so I got that one. That was pretty tough to do with one hand. And you can lower the glove box down, and we can actually take it off if you wanted to. Just comes off the hinge there. We're not gonna take it off. So if yours falls off, it's not breaking, okay? So here's the door for the cabin filter. You have these clips here that you squeeze and pull towards you. Squeeze, pull towards you. You can see them better like this. Squeeze these, and the door will come off. Now I don't have a cabin filter because I'm just checking this one for the customer, and I'm probably gonna recommend it. I can already tell because this one's pretty brown. See how it's supposed to be white, and it's a factory filter. You can tell it's a factory filter because it says up with this arrow here in the square box. This is a factory filter, okay? It's pretty nasty. I'm gonna recommend one. We'll put this one back in because it's all we have right now. If you need one, I'll have a link in the description box for a premium filter. It takes you to Amazon. I'll have that link in the comment box too to make that easy, okay? But when you get your aftermarket filter, especially from Amazon, it will say airflow on the side of it instead of up, and it'll have an arrow. The airflow is always going to be down, okay? If you notice that on the filters, they're always really dirty on the top side because they're pulling the air down, and all the dirt gets trapped on the top. So the door, you can't really see the top side, but these clips need to go back up into their spot. And when you get it, just click this guy back on like that. You want to make sure it's sealed up good so you keep all your air conditioning airflow moving in the correct way. Now we're going to take our glove box. I'm just going to kind of push it on it to keep it on the hinge. And we're going to close it like that, and that's good. Just hook this back up, click it back on, and you're all done. Check out that link again if you want to get a filter. If this video was helpful, please support the channel by hitting subscribe, like, and leave me a comment if you could. Thanks for watching the video.